those clouds in the stones. Let it rain, I have to play. Coming down like a Dow Jones. Alright folks, heading out. Heading out to see my buddy Joe. Supposedly he's got the hot dog cart fired up. Gonna be selling hot dogs today. And I told y'all we're gonna do a live stream and give away some hot dogs. But I wanted to make sure it's obviously, whoa, Tesla chopper. It's always better to make sure he's got his stuff together and everything's wired tight before we schedule the grand opening. So I guess you call this maybe a soft opening. Folks, rolling strong up in the Tesla chopper. Couldn't be rolling any stronger. Got my cowboy hat on, keeping the sun off my head. Shout out to my buddy in Australia, my friend. I'm not sure who dropped these off, but this hat and my other hat, you dropped them off at Tequila Reef. Like a month or two later, when I rolled in there, they had those hats in a bag for me, and I certainly appreciate it. Forrest G, he's basically took over the safari style hat, and then Maria loves this cowboy hat. So anyhow, thank you very much for these hats, my friend. Past Emotions. Got the Great Wall of China off to the port side. That's Emotions, and then we come down here. Right here next to Cheers Bar is where this hot dog stand is deployed. And there's the man of the hour right there. Got me a new parking brake here. That bad boy right there. Kick it in there, that thing ain't going nowhere. Just cut the tires like that. That thing ain't going nowhere. Safe and secure. So let me come over here. Hot dog 100, chili dog 150, brats are 200, root beer is 75. Folks, here you go. Joe's Hot Dogs. And right here next to my seafood place, this is where I get seafood all the time. Seafood on us. And where he's at is at the Sweeter Massage and Spa. So this is his wife's spot. There's your prices on the massage. I'll just go down through those right there. But he's got this spot here, and also got motorbikes for rent. You know, everything here in this wonderful retail spot. What's up, people? Ballpark, New York, chili dogs, Johnsonville, Wisconsin, brats, A&W root beer. You want them barbecued, you want them on the griddle, or you want them boiled. And he's got all of them right there. There you go, there's Johnsonville brats right there.
Or we can char grill. So however they want it.
I'm gonna like mine right here on this cast iron grate. Hot dog cart in place. Now with any business, you gotta get the kinks worked out. So this is sort of his soft opening right now. So he is selling hot dogs here, but you gotta give any business a few days to get their act together before we have a grand opening. And we're gonna give away 50 hot dogs. But just stay tuned to my channel. I'll put a post out there, a quick video, whenever we're ready to do it. Because he said yesterday he pulled the cart in here just trying to get everything moved over, and there was like 6 people lined up ready to get a hot dog. So I think that's a good sign on his business. Anyhow, just stay tuned to the channel, folks. We're gonna do a hot dog giveaway. Pretty simple. First 50 people to show up at the date and prescribed time get a free hot dog. Folks, while he's getting set up, let me give a plug out for the other businesses here, okay? This is my seafood place. I come over here and I get seafood from them from time to time. They got everything from tiger prawns to frozen fish. You know, they got fresh stuff and they got frozen stuff. And then right next door is this little bar called Cheers Bar. And then a couple of doors down is my barber. That's Manny. Come see Manny. I think he works 9 to 4:30. He's off on Mondays. Great barber. And then on down there, you got the produce stand. So if you're looking for fruit, vegetables, And there's a couple more businesses. I hate to leave anybody out, but basically there's a lot of good relevant businesses in this little oasis right here. And so what my plan is when that Cheers bar opens up, I'm gonna sit there and drink beer with the ladies, and then when I get hungry, I'm gonna buy all the ladies and myself one of these chili dogs, and then keep drinking. Big shout out to my wife number 2, baby. I'm gonna bring you a hot dog. I promise you, I'm gonna bring you one. Big shout out to supermodel number 2. Hope you're doing well down there. Maybe you're already at your family's house. I don't know, darling, but shout out to you too.
What do you want? Ketchup, mustard, onions?
Yeah, man, load it up. Oh yeah, I can go for some onions. Yeah, that's looking like a hot dog right there. Yeah, I'll take the chili too. Look at that, folks. I got me a cold A&W. Look at that chili cheese dog right there. My goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to take a bite out of this bad boy here. Look at it, just dropping with toppings. That's absolutely delicious. Look at the cross section on that dog. Just like I'm in the States. Just like I'm in the States right there. That's an American tasting hot dog. That's the design. Can't beat it. Y'all see the stress I'm under here? I'm so stressed out, I think I gotta go get a massage after I eat this chili dog. Wow, she looks like your twin. Alright, girl. Catch you later. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get that 400 peso inside. 1.5 hour, right? That's what I'm gonna do it. Cheap perfume. Share the night. It goes on. And home. Folks, got 3 hot dogs on board. Had me a hot dog. Hung out with my new buddy John from America. Chicken George's. Chicken fingers. Holy moly, next to Fred's Pies. I like chicken fingers. Yeah, so anyhow, folks, I'm on the way home. Hung out with a beautiful girl at this bar called a Rook. Shout out to you, Dawn. I fell in love with you. It was love at first sight, baby. Yeah, so anyhow, John and Nigel, thank y'all very much for the beers, for hanging out. My goodness. So folks, what we're talking about doing the grand opening of the hot dog stand on Saturday night. But I gotta let you know, don't hold me to it. I may have to do a quick video or a quick post. We gotta make sure he's got everything set up, you know. We'll do the grand opening on Saturday night around 7 p.m. when it cools off, because it was a hot one today. Gin in the night. These damn speed bumps. They are rough on the bottom of this thing. Need about a 4-inch lift kit on this thing. with some big old mud tires. Put some buckshot mutters on here. Oh shit, got taken down by an electric motorbike there. Oh, loud. And folks, thanks for joining me on today's video. If you're thinking about moving to the Philippines, my goodness. Maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. Bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that Overstate Road sign to get on board my train. I certainly appreciate it, but I got to roll like a basketball. Tesla chopper wants to go. Oh yeah, that's my front door. Once he goes, I'm going. I don't care what else is going on. Second gear, warp speed. Strange. Hey, what happened to my music? Maybe that low bat on the cell phone, on the CP. May have low back going now. Here are my friends right here building all this custom furniture. Gentleman cutting the grass with a pair of hedge trimmers. Typically what they do over here. If you hire somebody to cut your grass and it's a small yard, they'll show up with a pair of scissors and they'll cut your whole yard with a pair of scissors. Don't feel sorry for them. Don't get upset. Don't ask no questions. That's just what they're gonna do, because a pair of scissors you don't gotta put gas in it or oil, sharpen the chain, sharpen none. Get a pair of scissors and start cutting. That's the way you do it. Big ass speed bumps. My gosh. Come in here with a jackhammer to level these some bitches. It's too big, they're too high. Alright, coming up over here towards La Grande. That's Joe's spot over here. But if you need to get a motorbike rental, car rental, hot dog, massage, just go right over there where we're just at, right down from Emotions. Joe's water station. Over here, passionate water, got good water. Coming up on the starboard side of this here aircraft where these gentlemen are. Right there to the right, that's the water station. Now they're closed up for the day already. That's where you get our water from. Whoa, yeah. Fatima gonna be so happy when I bring these hot dogs home. She love a hot dog. I was gonna get her the brats, but you know what? You go with what people like, and I think she probably liked the hot dog better, so I just went with the hot dogs. Whoa, whoa. Since I put some air in the tires, we're not dragging the ground so much on these speed bumps. There's a tire pressure issue, got that corrected. Now we're able to navigate these speed bumps a lot better. This little intersection here in front of La Grande, they have food. Looks like the market's going on tonight. What's tonight? Thursday. La Grande off to the port side, Joe's spot off to the starboard side, right here where the yellow is. So if you're looking for a motorbike for rent as well, car for rent, if you're looking for a custom, hey buddy, how are you? If you're looking for a custom Kulong slash trike, they can do all that. Stranger. Oh Lord, busted the bottom on that one. Gotta take it a little bit slower. I've been in second gear. What I gotta do is take it down to first gear, slow my roll. Hello gentlemen. What's up buddy? Gas to slow my roll. Hello, how are you? Lady walking down the street. Who's that lady? Go, Butter-O. Come on. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie girl.